Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lincoln. Having recently retired from the IT industry, both in the corporate and private sectors, I found myself with a lot of time on my hands, and then I embarked on international travels to visit friends and family. The pandemic having put paid to my travels, I found myself with a lot of time on my hands, and I decided to investigate the internet to see what's there. Having discovered internet marketing and businesses online, I decided to take a plunge and came across a site that offers a lot of insight and training to help individuals around the world to achieve success online. As a result of that, I've set up a website that explains some of the things that can be done via a workshop, and it is free to view and then make up your own mind. So I hope you take the plunge and visit the site. The links are below there, and then see what you can make out of it. There's no obligation. It is one's independent decision, and learn how to set up and market your own internet or digital business. Thank you. I hope you take the time to visit us. Bye for now.